You've done the work, you've earned the life, and now it's time for a boat that actually matches where you are. The Aquila 46 yacht, the perfect platform for everything that comes next. Picture your mornings differently, not fighting the role of a monohull, but stepping out onto a wide, steady foredeck with your coffee, watching the light come up over the water while everything around you stays perfectly still. That's what a true offshore capable power catamaran gives you. Room to breathe, room to live. The 46 is built wide enough that 4 friends can be aboard and no one feels like they're in the way. 3 private cabins mean your guests get their own space, and so do you. 5 heads across the boat means no one is waiting in line. Below, the salon opens like a living room. Natural light from every angle, a full galley when you want to cook, and a layout that stops feeling like a boat the moment you step inside. Topside, the Flybridge gives you commanding sightlines that make coastal passage making feel effortless. And when you're ready to go further, the 46 carries enough fuel to reach anchorages most boats its size can only dream about. CE Category A, offshore certified with twin engines and a water supply that keeps you self-sufficient for days at a time. You dreamed about this kind of freedom. This is what it looks like. The 46, built for the life you're ready to live. Full specs at yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony. See you on the water.